1, 2, 3. The number of colleges that have now decided to ban the hijab in Udupi. We used to be known once as the biggest democratic country, but now look at us. Our own ruling party chooses to blatantly ignore our constitution, the backbone of our society. The fire has been lit and we must smother the flames before it hits another degree. Our rights have been seized by people who think it's theirs, but you won't be in power forever, so beware. Beti Bachao, Beti Padao were the words you wrote down, yet now look at you, hindering the education of those girls who choose to wear the hijab. Do you even hear yourself? Are you not aware of this irony you tell? What kind of logic works in your head to ban a piece of cloth that we wear on our heads? Does it harm you? Or are you annoyed at the fact that we do not let you feast your devouring eyes on our beauty to which we make you blind? Uniformity? Isn't that something to express unity? Yet you treat us with hostility. You can't bear to see us live in harmony. Are only you blind to this irony? We choose to be in modesty, in our own way, to protect our chastity. Hands off our hijab and our right to practice religion freely. Keep your hands dirty by not playing fairly, but hands off our right to equality. Sincerely, Muslim Indian Hijabi.